Hello everybody and welcome to the Crown Lounge. So what we got going on today is a drink called a Smokey Fizz, right? So the smokiness of the drink is going to come from the mezcal, right? We're going to use some mezcal in this drink. And it also called for green chartreuse, but guess what you can't find? It's hard to find, is green chartreuse. So we're going to use the alternative, the Janapi? Les Chamois. I can't pronounce it. It's French. Anyway, it is a very good alternative to the green chartreuse. Anyway, let's start. First, we're going to go with 1 ounce of mezcal. One ounce of our green chartreuse like-ish. Next, we're going to go 1 ounce of maraschino cherry liqueur. And last, we're going to go 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, pre-squeezed. I'm going to add a little ice. And we're going to give it a good stir. Ooh, you can smell the smokiness from the mezcal. Anywho, let's get us a strainer. Perfect. Cheers, guys. So there's no sweeteners added besides the maraschino's liqueur. So it has a little tartness to it. Kind of almost like a sour puckerish type of tartness to it, but it's good. And you get that smokiness from the mezcal. It's a pretty good drink. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share for more recipes like this. Cheers, guys.